Lesson 4. What books and burials tell us? First question. How many Vedas are there? Option A 4, B 3, C 2, D 1. The correct answer is option A 4. That is Rigveda, Samaveda, Yajurveda and Atharva Veda. Which is the oldest or earliest Veda? Option A Rigveda, B Yajurveda, C Samaveda, D Atharva Veda. The correct answer is option A Rigveda. Now, third question. In which language is Rigveda written? Option A Vedic Sanskrit, option B modern Sanskrit, C Dravidian, D Hindi. The correct answer is Vedic Sanskrit. It is also called the oldest form of Sanskrit. Now, fourth question. In what time period Rigveda was composed? Option A 3500 years ago, B 2500 years ago, C 4700 years ago and D none. The correct answer is option A. What happened around 2500 years ago? Earlier cities below the river Ganga started and Magadha kingdom was emerged around 2500 years ago. Now, around 4700 years ago, Indus Valley civilization was flourished. Now, the fifth question. Rigveda consists of A. Hymns, B. Sacrifice formulas, C. Music formulas, D. Magical charms. The correct answer is option A. Hymns. And how many hymns do the Rigveda have? It has 1000 hymns. And sixth question. Samaveda consists of A. Hymns, B. Sacrifice formulas, C. Music formulas and D. Magical formulas. Sama here means music. Now, seventh question. Yajurveda consists of A. Hymns, B. Sacrifice formulas, C. Musical formulas, D. Magical formulas. The correct answer is sacrifice formulas and option B is the right answer. Now, eighth question. Atharva Veda consists of A. Hymns, B. Sacrifice formulas, C. Music formulas, D. Magic formulas. The correct answer is option D. Magical charms. Now, ninth question. Hymns in Rigveda was composed by A. Men, B. Women, C. Option A and B are right and D is none. The correct answer is option C. A and B are correct answers. That means both women and men composed the Rigveda hymns. That means both men and women were given equal priority and are treated equally. And later on this became unequal and the division of people has emerged. Now, 10th question. People who composed hymns are called option A Dasas, option B Dasyus, option C Aryans and option D Vaishyas. The correct answer is option C Aryans. Now, 11th question. Megalith means option A Mesolithic site, option B Microlithic site, option C burial site and option D Neolithic site. The correct answer is option C burial site. Mesolithic site is between the period of 12,000 years ago to 10,000 years ago, and this Mesolithic period is also called Microlithic period, and Neolithic period is around 10,000 years ago. Now, 12th question. How many years ago practice of keeping megaliths began? Option A 3000 years ago, B 3500 years ago, C 2500 years ago and D 1000 years ago. The correct answer is option A 3000 years ago. What happened around 3500 years ago? Rigveda was composed. Around 2500 years ago, as I told you, Magadha kingdom was emerged. Magadha kingdom emerged means agriculture started developing and also the use of iron plowshares developed and trade and commerce are also developed. And now 13th question is The people who performed rituals are option A Dasas, B Dasyus, C Brahmans and D Vaishyas. The correct answer is option C Brahmins. 14th question, megalithic sites are option A Lothal and Dholavira, B Brahmagiri and Adichammalur, C Inamgoan and Harappa. The correct answer for this is Brahmagiri and Adichammalur. Megalithic sites are also known as burial sites. Now 15th question, Inamgoan is located on river A Sabarmati, B Bhima, C God, D Ravi. The correct answer is option C God. And along the river Ravi, Harappan city was located. Now 16th question, Harappa is located on river option A Sabarmati, B Bhima, C God and D Ravi. The correct answer is option D Ravi. And on the river God, Inamgoan is located. And what is Inamgoan? It is one of the early village. And here the dead bodies are buried in pots. See, they kept the dead bodies in pots and then used to bury. And also along with the dead bodies, vessels which are filled with food and water were kept along with dead body. And now the 17th question is, hymn means A Jana, B Wish, C well said, D well settled. The correct answer is option C well said. Now 18th question, what are used for placing body into the grave? Option A holes, option B potholes, option C vessels, option D utensils. Option B potholes. Now 15th question, Inamgoan settlement started between option A 4700 to 2700 years ago, B 3500 to 2500 years ago, C 3600 to 2700 years ago and D 3500 to 2700 years ago. The correct answer for this is 3600 to 2700 years ago. Now 20th question, Aryans treated their opponents as option A Dasas or Dasyus, B Vish, C Vaishyas, D Jana. The correct answer for this is option A Dasas and Dasyus, and they treated them as slaves. Okay, that's all for this lesson MCQs. Thank you for watching.